I'm in Tennessee right now, and it's really cold. It's probably about 9 or 10 degrees in the wintertime, and I've been building a building here, and I'm have to be out here by myself. And one of the problems I was having was trying to put fascia boards on my rafter tails, big long fascia boards or long trim boards. And so I kind of come up with an idea that I'm going to share with you. I'm going to flip this thing around and kind of lead you through what I'm doing here. Okay, so here's my project. It's a 2-story barn, mini barn garage area, and you can see on this end, on the shed roof end, I had to try to get up my fascia boards and get my trim boards on there, and so it's almost an impossible job to do by yourself. Even on short boards, 8-foot boards, it's really hard to get one position and try to get them all level so you can get them on, and then trim boards are the same. I'll take you on over to the other side of the barn. You can see the other rafter tails there that I'm going to have to put fascia boards on. And if we come around the far side of the building, this is a 14-12 pitch, so it's a really steep roof. And so you can see, if I can get you out of the sunshine here, you can see what it's going to be like to try to set those rafter tails and set the fascias on those rafter tails by yourself. So here's what I came up with. I went to my pile of scrap, and in my pile of scrap for my siding, I found some little things that I'm using kind of as cleats. And what I'm doing is taking those cleats and screwing them directly onto the ends of the rafter tails. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm only taking one temporary screw, and I'm leaving them long enough, and I'm spacing them so then I can set my fascia board on, attach it to the end of the rafter tails, and then I'll leave them on there even when I put my sheathing on. When it's come time to set the trim and build the soffit ends, then I can pull those off. Also coming down in here, it makes it really handy if you want to kind of make an angle cut as you come over these joints, and that way you've got a nice lap joint instead of a joint that's just end butted. It'll keep those from coming apart. Easiest thing to do is just go ahead and set those up. Set yourself a couple of ladders and then lift the board into place. Set it in place. That board's up there just with one screw right now, and then I'll come back after I get my other pieces in and tack them off into place. I hope you find this video helpful. Talk to you guys later. Bye.